Cook almost the same food every day, not sure which kind of ingredients to buy, the food is not tasty, not sure what to cook with current ingredients. We are here to help you to solve your problems.
Anything you need, Chef, here is Chef.
Our apps plan to start with a beta version to test the market. We will start it by using Instagram business account. Users can watch various recipe videos and ingredients lists that we uploaded in Instagram. People who wish to cook those dishes can drop us a message and tell us the servings they wish to have. Then, we will send them the nearest portion of ingredients with the prices. After they confirm order and pay, we will deliver the ingredients to their house as fast as possible. Other than that, they can also comment on our Instagram or hashtag us to share their dishes.
After we have 1,000 of customers, we are going to develop a full version app. Besides the features in the beta version, Chef can recommend recipes according to user preferences and also the ingredient they have already had in their house. In addition, the online community platform and Instagram will also be created to let users who like to share their cookings and new recipes to communicate with each other. One of the most special features we are going to create is a platform for users to buy cooking gadgets and trade their pre-owned cookware. And here comes our team. Our leader Wesley, who is in charge of business development and financial analysis. Colleen and Cynthia in charge of product and tech development, while Kayan in charge of customer support and our marketing generalist, Howie.
This will be your best cooking assistant. This is Chef.